We have 3 camels walking around. We have 3 lambs dancing around. We have 5 fox looking so fine. We have 4 kids dancing in line. We have 5 flowers. We have 5 fish. We have 6 hands with a fork in it. We have 6 elephants. We have 6 socks that are blue. We have 7 flowers that's blue. We have 7 balloons in the sky. We have 7 clouds in the sky. We have 8 owls looking at the scissors cutting. 8 moons, 8 moons. 9 paints, 9 paints. We have the pencils drawing the ball, and it draws 9 balls. And that's how we count. Let's count right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,